So it was the same stem stitch this time as well. So I quickly did it. After making this curl with stem stitch, it's time to grow some flowers out of it. The idea behind is that how simple and boring something could look from the outside, but the burst of beautiful ideas changed the game. So the flowers represent the blooming ideas coming out from an average looking exterior. Just like this flower, I made the other one. For the next one, I took sky blue thread and made lazy daisy flower and centered it with a French note and some crystal beads. Starting this flower with French note, I made the petals with sequins and lilac cut bead on top of them. These flowers are my favorites of all. Then I took pink thread and made one more flower and centering it with green glass beads like this one. To fill up the empty spaces, I added floral beads centering the small pearl beads and spaced them randomly. Then I added some maroon micro beads randomly. So flower here was missing and also the color green. So I made a flower with lazy daisy stitch and one at the other corner and then adding pearl bead at the center. And that's it.